Hi guys, I'm Mattia from Web Design Fundamental. I'm very looking forward to meet you, and I pass to Andrea.
Hi, here's Andrea, and we are looking forward to having you on board in this new semester. And I pass it on to Lisa.
Hello, my name is Lisa, and I'm also looking forward to meet you. I pass over to Sabine.
Hi, I'm Sabine, and I'm also looking forward to create some cool projects with you, see you in the course, and I pass it on to Luann.
Hey, I'm Luann. Welcome to the new semester. I'm really looking forward to meet you all and create some nice stuff.
Welcome everyone. I'm very happy to see you in ReDI School. My name is Angel Svirkov and I'm one of the teachers for your session HTML and CSS. I very much look forward to meeting all of you. I pass on to Babatunde.
Hi guys, my name is Babatunde Okaru. I'm going to be a teacher in the HTML and CSS course. I'm really happy to meet you guys and I can't wait. I wish you guys the very best. Now I pass to Jessica.
Hey, I'm Jessica and I will be also taking part from the HTML and CSS course. I'm really happy to meet you. I see you there and I pass it to Oniye.
Hello everyone, I'm happy to be in your midst. I am Oniye. I'm also a student and assistant teacher. I'll be happy to see you guys soon. I pass it on to Shion.
Hello everyone, my name is Shion. I would also be teaching the HTML CSS course. Looking forward to seeing you all in class. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jan. I'm your teacher this year for this semester of the Introduction to Python, and I'm looking forward to teaching all of you the wonders that Python holds for you. And I pass it on to Farouk.
Hi, I'm Farouk. I will be teaching you Introduction to Python in this course and looking forward to have a lovely course with you guys. I will give forward to Saeed.
Hello everyone, my name is Saeed. Me and my colleague are here to help you to find a new insight, be in touch with each other, and any question that you have, we can help you. I pass to Lucas.
Yes, hello everybody, I'm Lucas. I'm really excited to teach the next semester Introduction to Python course. Yeah, I think it's gonna be really fun. And I pass it on to Adnan.
Hello, my name is Adnan and I will be teaching you Intro to Python and I will look forward to you. I will pass it to Nam now.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Nam and I will be teaching you Python in this semester. I used to be a student at ReDI School just like you, and it was a life-turning opportunity for me. See you again. And I pass it to Augustine.
Hi, I'm Augustine. I will teach you Introduction to Python as well, and I hope you will do your first steps with a simple programming language and get to know the power of programming, and kind of a new world opens for you. Next up is Samuel.
Hi, I'm Samuel. I'm teaching you Python as well as all the others. So let's hope you can ask some questions even we can't answer immediately, so we learn something from you as well. And I pass it to Andreas, of course.
Hello everybody, I'm also your teacher for the Introduction to Python, and I'm looking forward to having lots of fun with you in this semester. So see you.
Hello everyone, my name is Marcus and I'm one of the Network Fundamentals teachers. So I hope you have a lot of fun and learn a lot with us at ReDI School. I'm handing it over to Wenrom.
Hi everyone, I'm Wen and I'm going to be one of your teachers in the next semester for Digital Network. So happy to be here and talk to you soon. So I would love to pass it on Chandra.
Hi everyone, I'm Chandra. I will be one of your teacher in Network Fundamental course in ReDI School. I hope you will have a lot of fun and a lot of learning in this course. I will pass it on to Hisham.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Hisham. I'm one of the network teachers, and I wish you a lot of success in this work. And I will pass it to Merhab.
Salam bacha, here is Mehrab. I can help you also in Persian if you can speak Persian. Don't be worried, just tell me. And I will be also as a network trainer for you in this ReDI School session. I will pass it to Leila.
Hello, my name is Leila, and I wish you a very warm welcome to the Networking Fundamentals course. I will be one of your teachers, and I hope you will be having fun. I pass it on to Ebuka.
Hi everyone, my name is Ebuka, and I'll be one of the trainers for the course. And I'm wishing you a very fantastic learning experience, and I hope to see you soon. I'm passing it on to Kelly.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelly. I'm the teaching assistant for the Network Fundamentals course at ReDI.
Hope to see you in class, and I hope you have a wonderful journey with us. Thanks.